Today I just want to talk about enjoying your cooking. Whether you are a beginner or you've been cooking all your life and you just want to put a little bit more joy in your day, make your cooking a great experience, because I know everybody's busy. You're coming home from work, you're stressed, the kids are hungry, like everything happens at once. But every once in a while, hopefully once a week, you can be in the kitchen by yourself, put some candles on, put some music on, and just when I'm in it depends on my mood, but sometimes when I'm in the kitchen, I will crank that music so loud and I'll be almost dancing around my kitchen. Well, my kids and grandkids will tell you that I have been caught dancing in my kitchen. So sometimes if you just enjoy the moment, it will become less tedious and you will enjoy it a little bit more. I call it playful cooking. You know, you can get your favorite tea, maybe a cocktail. Well, you don't want too many cocktails because then your cooking might turn out, but one cocktail's not going to hurt, right? So sometimes I'll just get my favorite tea, some music, candles, and just enjoy the day by myself. Another tiny little tip that you would be surprised how many times it saves you is when you're cooking, because as I told you, cooking is different from baking. Cooking, you can add a little bit more with something, or you can be a little bit more playful and say, I'm going to take this out and I'm going to add something else. If you do that, write it down, because you don't know how many times I've been experimenting in the kitchen and it turns out fantastic. Yeah, I didn't write it down. So write it down when you change a recipe, because when it comes out spectacular, you want to remember. One thing I love to do when I'm in the kitchen, say if I'm going to be in the kitchen all day and I really want to enjoy myself, I'll get a couple of cups of water, I'll put it in a pot, I'll bring it to a little bit of a simmer, and I'll put my favorite scents in there. Maybe some rosemary, maybe some lemon slices, maybe a little bit of maybe a lavender essential oil, maybe some, some orange slices, some cinnamon. You can really change it up, and you just put it on simmer and you let it simmer for maybe an hour or two while you're in the kitchen, and you have these beautiful scents. Now, I know your cooking is going to be beautiful on its own, but sometimes it's just a calming, uplifting way to just enjoy your kitchen. Now I have a little bit of a baking tip for you. Say you're putting beautiful spices and herbs, maybe like cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg, those gorgeous herbs that really bring a lot of flavor to the dish. Because usually recipes will tell you to put that in your dry mix because that's part of your dry mix. But if you take those beautiful herbs, especially cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, those really flavorful herbs, I'm getting tongue-tied. If you put that in your butter mixture, when you usually have a butter and sugar mixture and you're whipping it, and you put those herbs and spices in that butter mixture, the fat in the butter will break down the beautiful scents and beautiful taste of those herbs and spices, and it'll break it down, and it'll make your cake or your cooking or whatever you're doing more flavorful. So instead of putting those spices or herbs in your dry mix, put them with your butter and whip it a little bit. It'll just make the dish a little bit more intense. One more tidbit, a cooking tidbit for today, is if you are turning your oven on, say you're roasting a chicken, or yesterday I put a roast in the oven, I always think to myself, what else can I put in that oven to use the heat that I already am using? So the oven was at 400 for the roast, so I put in a squash, and then I also put in some potatoes to bake, because then you're using that time in your oven that's already heated for your whole supper, and you have supper ready to go. Everything is roasted in the oven. It saves you time, and it also uses up the heat in your oven for 2 or 3 things instead of just one. Just some of my favorite tidbits today, and you have a great day.